Hello and welcome to Sex Talk with Thank You Life 101. My topic today is all about sex and money. So how do you create money with sex? And that's a different topic altogether, and that's a different profession. No, I'm talking about the vibration of sex and love that creates money in your life. So have you ever watched your wife or your husband, how they move? And if they slump over like this and they're watching TV, you have no feeling of quite the care that you really want in life. But if your husband is in a power stance and a power movement of creating, you are drawn to him with love and sexual desire. The same with a woman. If she's very confident in the way she stands and the way she moves, her boobies jiggle, and the husband's, even if they have love handles and they move a little bit, because I love a little bit of meat on a woman, because that, you know what, that creates that movement. You know what, in a perfect body, and that's fantastic too, because those nice curves and those abs. So for that point, it's watching your husband, your wife, and how they move. And I love when my wife is sort of bouncing up and down or moving in a sort of vibracious way. And then I watch her and stare, and she goes, eyes up. I'm like, what do you mean? I was just watching your boobies move. And of course she laughed because we're having that great sexual conversation. So you can have that conversation in your life that's deeply connected to one another. And not in a dirty sense way, it is a very compassionate way I'm talking about, very compassionate towards your husband or your wife. Because you can have fun about it. Enjoy the conversation. And that will create abundance of money in your life. Because I'll also place a video that you'll see in this blog post of money that we took out of the bank. And we played with it, and we stared at it. And this was a abundance amount of money, so we took it out and we really looked at it. And what it did for me, and I know it did for my wife because we had a discussion about it, it really gave us sort of this feeling of love towards money and love towards each other, that we're creating this in our lives. And I truly believe that people around the world can create this love towards money, love towards each other, in even a sexual way. Because when you have abundance in your life, you create this happiness, endorphin in yourself, that will produce more loving sex, loving care towards each other. And does money buy love and care? Well, it gives you that feeling of a very close vibrational energy towards the money, towards sex, towards love, towards each other. So create this in your life. Have that passion and that confidence that will create abundance in your life. So create the money that you desire in your life. Create the very passionate sex and love life that you've been looking for and you've been passionate about. And if you're passionate about sex and love and money now, then be more passionate and create more. And like I say to many people, if you don't need more money, then make more money and give it to charity. Because the more money that you create in your life, and if you're giving it away in abundance, more will come back, and it's just the way it works. So create this in your life. Have fun in your life. Have happiness in your life. And create what you want and desire. So everybody have a great day and create this in your life every single day of your life. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.